No, you freaking suck.
What, bitch?
Actually, you are one.
I bet you had sex with Pat.
But
I
you know
now
who Pat
hate Pat.
is. You're gonna do the E88.
The only one where you know who Pat is.
So it's the person who's.
Are you gonna do the E88?
Oh, I actually want to be friends with him again because I'm the one working making plans to freaking cancel Pat because he's been outside one working dick to make for no reason.
Doubt that. One sly person, Michael.
Michael, tell us why you supported child pornography.
Legit post to that.
How about you suck my dick?
Ew, no.
Right. Sorry, that job was already taken. What a whip. So you decided to come back, you nub. Just explain to us why you're doing this. Ow, what a whip.
Explain to us right now. Give us proof. Not give us proof, but explain.
Don't you dare turn on your camera.
Don't. No. Please, God, no.
Look at this.
You built like egg.
What
Oh, God.
That is not funny. Oh, God. God.
Well, you're afraid of shit.
We're talking to one right now.
What?
Look, we're not afraid of that. But you need to chill. Oh, let me guess, Michael. You're gonna try to hook up with me. I don't think so. And you're also a hypocrite due to you saying, oh, don't call a girl the C word. Well, you already just did call a girl the C word, which was me.
Shit, you fucking rat.
Oh, I'm the rat? Please.
Hey, TJ, my favorite person.
Here.
Oh, you're staying, Michael. Hey, TJ, he said the N word again.
Oh,
you finish that sentence, you're gonna be dead.
Don't you ever
answer our question, you stinky old diesel. Why did you do that?
What question do you want? Because I can, and I wanted to.
tell me, why do you like the diesel? Oh.
Sometimes I wonder, why are you even doing this in the first place?
This is when we can do the troll.
I'm absolutely disgusted, almost making them want to quit YouTube.
And for sexually harassing me, I'm not gonna take that.
All my haters should quit YouTube. That's what I want.
Oh, we want you to quit YouTube so we can live our lives. And I can speak, and I can hang up with my best friend, Diesel 10. Sorry if that's a little off topic, guys.
I don't care. Diesel 10.
After ruining all of our lives.
Michael, no! Don't. Hey, close your eyes.
It's too late. It's too late.
Oh, you make me sick. Literally.
I had to muffle scream. Oh God. Oh God.
Care.
No. How could you? Why are you even trying to ruin our lives?
Why
I'm glad that I just made you sick.
wait, but why were you even on the internet anyway? Like, you should be banned from the internet.
Like, I want to know something. You actually caused me to pass out today.
I'm glad that happened.
Well, Michael, get off the internet. We don't want you here. We don't want a stinky old diesel here.
Why are you also Michael? Why do you want to sexually harass me?
Yeah, I'm not gonna get off the internet for a long time.
Oh, you're gonna
Can you leave this one out for a bit? Me and Kawhi got this.
So tell me.
I came here to help you guys, and that's
I
what
want to see her.
Can I speak, please? I came here to help you guys, and that's what I'm gonna do.
How about you show your vagina, bitch?
Ew, no!
What?
You are disgusting. You're also nothing but a creep. So what makes you?
Care.
What makes you?
Excuse her.
No
What?
one would want to see your ugly ass black middle finger.
Why do you want me to show my own genitals to you? Why?
What the heck is this? Oh wait, it's Max.
Dare say a word about Max, you're dead.
Yeah, don't.
Oh, Max is a piece of shit. I hope he dies from cancer.
That is really rude of you. That is so heartless. You are heartless for saying that. That proves you're heartless.
Another piece of shit. It is fucking. I'm gonna change my name to something inappropriate right now.
Don't do it. Don't you do it. To God, no. Please, God, please. No.
I won't work you will. Don't you worry.
No. This is gonna be worse than the sexual harassment. And you realize you're younger than me. Which you're hitting on an
In
older.
fact, you're actually younger than all of us.
You realize you're hitting on an older girl. I'm not trying to go to prison too. No.
I ain't trying to go to juvenile detention center for beating up a kid. Which is most likely gonna happen anyway, because I might do that to you.
I will. What? Hold up.
Excuse me? Okay, no.
I'm gonna
no,
read.
That's I'm done. Nicole.
You're gonna expose.
No! No, God, no! No! What is wrong?
Michael, here's some. Okay, go ahead. Hello, dear Southern.
Right, Ryan, you're that over piece of shit.
You are disgusting,
Do not call my
Michael.
friend Southern that. He's a great person.
You're the one that showed your ass on a fucking duel with me.
No, you changed that.
I don't care.
You changed that name right now.
Shit about you anyway.
At least I don't sexually harass other girls.
Okay, Michael, here's some rules. One, you stay away from me and my friends. Two, ever do that again to Clyde, you're dead.
What the fuck?
You come near any one of us, I swear to God, I will. Michael, you do realize I know where you live, right?
He lives in Hamilton, New Jersey, I believe.
Oh,
Fuck
I
up,
do.
no, you
I'm not
don't.
that far, actually.
Better fucking not. Better fucking not.
To the bottom of this where you belong.
Cool. If you even dare do one more
Oh, God. No.
sweet.
No! No! Oh my God, no! Oh God. Oh God.
That's it. Falcon, make a stream right now.
Oh,
No,
God.
I would make a
Don't worry,
stream,
guys.
but
I actually have this all on camera.
Is it gone?
Oh God, I can't breathe.
Oh God.
Also, that dish was for Ryan.
Hey,
Yeah, like
hey,
fuck
you
your
also
life,
know
I
something,
didn't wanna see
Michael.
shit.
You want to know something, Michael? Hey, Michael.
Fucking
You want to know something? I have this all on camera.
Also, Ryan, I just fucking unblocked you, so yeah. So that I can fucking sexually harass you every day.
Ew.
that could get you into jail.
Yeah, Michael, you're gonna go to jail for that.
You realize I'm taken.
Michael, I don't know how stupid your mom was to have you, but I bet you eat cereal with butter because your dad never came back with your milk.
Oh wait, you don't have a dad.
Oh, and Michael, if you even try to
Well,
sexually harass
EAD
me,
hadn't started acting like a piece of shit, then maybe I would have actually improved for once.
well, at least I'm not some person who likes to
Man,
sexually
that's so
harass a
nice.
girl.
Fuck E88 is.
And at least I'm not a kid who talks crap about their parents like you did.
Ooh.
Shit, no, I don't.
Yes, you did.
Fucking. And it just sent me a friend request.
At least I never showed my butt on a Google Meet.
Exactly.
Wow. What the fuck is delightful?
Yeah, that's just gross.
I'm just gonna flat out say this, Michael. You're not even human.
Yeah.
Agreed.
Yeah, at least steam engines don't work with diesel engines like you. Well, actually, some steamies do work with diesels because some of the diesels on the Ellen changed their ways, like Diesel 10, Arian Burke.
That's your yard.
What about Splatter and Dodge? They're diesel. Well, they're already good diesels, except they're still idiots.
Hey, Ryan, how about you want to look what I sent you on DM?
Well,
Man, I'd rather
that's going to
not.
be a no. I'm not trying to get age restricted, so yeah.